Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. So if you're new to my channel, I make informative and educational videos for CA, CS and CMA students as well as members. Today's announcement is by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India regarding change of examination center for January or February 2021. This announcement came up today, that is 12th January 2021, and one of the examination centers has been changed. I'll tell you which is that center, and I'll be telling you today about the format of undertaking by minor candidates for January 2021 exam. So if you are a minor candidate, you have to take up some undertaking to the examination center along with you. To know what is that undertaking, watch the video till the end and please subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. Starting with the first announcement, that was regarding the change of examination center for January or February 2021. So let me tell you, it is in Allahabad, which is in UP, Uttar Pradesh, the existing venue. So all the students who were going to sit in who had their existing venue, that is Bishop Johnson School and College, and the address is given, now they will be sitting at the new venue. They have been shifted to all the students. All the students means foundation, executive and final students. All the students who were going to sit in this Bishop Johnson School and College will now be sitting at the new venue, which is Jwala Devi Saraswati Devi Vidya Mandir Inter College. Now all the students will be sitting at this new venue. So you are advised to take the note. Other details will be same, and you have to carry the same admit cards. No new admit cards will be issued to you. You have to carry the same which were issued for January or February 2021. I hope you have downloaded the admit cards for January or February 2021. If you have not done it, I'll tell you in very brief how to download the admit cards for January or February examination 2021. So if you are a candidate for January or February 2021 exam, either it be foundation, intermediate, IPC or intermediate, final and final new examination, you have to download your admit card from the site which is iciexam.ici.org. You have to download from there. I'll tell you how. Visit this URL, that is the iciexam.ici.org. You will be opening up to this window which you must be familiar to. So there we have the icon called login or register. You have to go there and you must be having your login ID as well as your passwords that are already communicated to all the students. We have them all. So you have to go there and log in with your registration number and with the password that you already have. Then as we know that the moment you log in, you get into your own account. You can see your registration number, exam, mail IDs, mobile number, everything at the left hand side and alongside your photo and your signature. So on the right hand side, apply and track your applications. Everything wherever you are applying or you are verifying, everything comes up on the right hand side. There at the third point, you can see admit cards November 2020. There you have to go and view, and then you will get your admit card. If you have any doubts, the FAQs are already hosted on the website. Still, if you want any clarifications, you can clarify by writing or contacting according to your stage. If you are a foundation student or a final student or an intermediate student, you can even, if you don't want to mail, you can even call on the helpline telephone numbers that are given hereunder. Now comes the important part. That is, if you are a candidate, if you are a minor candidate, what you have to do, you have to take up this undertaking by the student. This is very important. You have to take this undertaking. Basically, you have to fill up in advance before reaching the center, except your sign, except candidate sign, which has to be done in the presence of the invigilator. So listen to me carefully what you have to do. This is an undertaking by the student only in case of a minor. In case of a minor, you have to take up this undertaking, which says, because as per other rules, while downloading the admit cards, a self-declaration is taken by all the other students, but in case of minors, they are taking this undertaking by the student, which says, I dash born on dash, so your registration number, your roll number, do hereby clarify that you have read all the guidelines. If you have not read these guidelines which were given by ICAI for examination centers, for examination functionaries and candidates, I have made a video for guidelines for candidates. You can see on the right hand side the I button. You can click there and go to that video to know what all guidelines deadlines were there, and you are appearing in January 2021 with the consent and permission of my parents or guardian as attested below. So this is just for the minor candidate. For mostly all other candidates, there is a consent while downloading the admit card only, then signature of the parent or guardian, name of the parent or guardian, mobile number of the parent or guardian. And you don't have to sign at the place of candidate signature. That you have to do in the presence of the invigilator only. This is the most important part. You can fill it at home. All other credentials that are required except your signatures, that you have to do in the presence of the invigilator only. I'm repeating it again. You just have to fill it and take up at the examination center, but at the place where you have to sign, the candidate has to sign. The candidate will be signing this form, this undertaking, in the presence of the invigilator only. I hope you found the video informative, and for all the CA, CS and CMA related updates, you can subscribe to my channel so you stay connected with all the announcements that come up on the website as soon as possible. And now you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest as well to stay connected with me.